Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your theme color of charts in MetaTrader 5 app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaTrader 5 app, and now once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the MetaTrader 5 apps on in the screen, where you can see there is a settings option at the bottom of this dashboard. So let me tap on that settings, and now you can see there is a charts option at the bottom of this section right above of this journal option. So let me tap on that charts now, and finally you can customize your chart in here. You can see there is a three options: bar chart, candlesticks, and last one is line chart. So if you want to change the theme color of charts, then simply slide it to the down, and now you can see there is a colors just down below of this section. So once you tap on that colors, you can change your theme colors of chart from here successfully. So you can see there is a tons of color in here. So yeah, basically this is how you can change your theme color of charts in MetaTrader 5 app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.